Obama wants you to lower your lifestyle. He really must be joking. Obviously he has not heard of Matt Lloyd's MTTB. There's been a lot of talk recently. Talk by economists, politicians, and the like about the need for us to lower our expectations and to shrink our lifestyles in able to cope with the forthcoming crisis. An article in the USA Today warned us of the need to brace for a lower standard of living. The president currently supports these thoughts as well, apparently. My thoughts? The thoughts of the wealthy. Well, it may be good advice for those that are willing to accept it and who are governed by the circumstances around them. But I think you're like me. You're different. You don't let your circumstances control you. Think about this. I heard Dan Kennedy use it as an example in one of his books. Take a football team. The coaches and players have to be prepared to play on natural turf, artificial turf, outdoors, indoors, in heat, cold, in rain, in snow. Regardless of their circumstances, they play to win. And somebody does, every single time. Whatever your circumstances are right now, whatever is going on in the economy, there is always freedom and wealth as an option. And somebody is always cashing in on it, while others accept the struggle. Right now too many people are happy to just have a job and get their minimum bills paid. But there is a better way. There's a system online right now that has been helping people earn real commissions online. So click on the link below after watching this video. Big ones too. $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, and up. With a few sales like that coming in throughout each week and month consistently, you can see how the shaky economy will never be a worry for you. And that's a great feeling to have. It's step by step, it's turnkey, and you'll have a whole direct sales team working for you to get you results. It's awesome, and it's a way that you can fight back from this bad economy so many are facing. Check it out here now and take your stand. Visit http://goo.gl/sss6fz. Maybe Obama has turned his back on you, but don't you turn your back on this life-changing opportunity. Okay. Click on the link below.